Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be doing a smoky eye using a new palette. It is a drugstore palette. It is the Burgandy Bar from Maybelline. And that is the colors. Oops, let's see there. They don't have a light colored matte, so I will probably be using my creme brulee to set my primer. We're also going to be testing out the Becca Chrissy Teigen Lip Icing Glow that I got at Target, at TJ Maxx. We'll be trying out one of these, and I'll probably swatch the other ones for you. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start off with our Essence Primer. It's I Love Color Intensifying Eye Primer. And then I'm going to blend this in with my sponge so I can get in there, get it all in the wrinkles, get it all spread out evenly. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Creme Brulee just to set that because there's not a light colored matte in this palette. There's a light color, but it's a satin. And I just use this to set my primer so that when I put my colors on, they slide across nice and smooth and don't bunch up. Okay, now we are going to go in with the light color of the matte, this one right here in the corner. Okay, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe M32, with the Morphe 505. And this is kind of my new favorite shadow brush right now, for the moment. And I'm using this as my transition color. So I'm going to pull it up nice and high. And I'm going to put it halfway across my lid so that if I transition anything there, it will be smooth too. Now I'm going to go in to this red color right there. It just calls to me. And I'm going to put this in the crease also. And the outer half of my lid. Now I'm going to go into this dark brown color, the darkest brown right here. Can you see it in the corner? It's a matte color, and I'm just going to darken up that outer corner a little bit. And I'm going to stay close to the lash line. And I am using a smaller brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. So now I'm going to go back with that red again because I feel like I hid too much of it, and just put it on the edge here of that brown. That's a lot better. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here, the lightest one, not the lightest one, the lightest one in this row. Oops, this one, right there. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. Lots of fallout with this. I think I'm going to use some spray to help it stick and go where I want it instead of where it wants. So I'm using Fix Plus from MAC, and I'm just going back into that same color. And now I'm going to go back in with that red again and just put it back in there a little bit. Just blend the two. Because I don't want to lose the red, because I like it. Now I'm going to go into the bottom lash with a flat brush, and I'm just going to put some of this dark brown that I had in the outer corner, and I'm just going to put it right up against the lash line. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to push line with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. And to push line, you just put your little finger on your eyelid and push. And your eyelash will flip up a little bit, and then you just draw between the lashes. And then I'm going to go over the top too, because I'm going to use this to just make a smudgy liner line instead of a liquid liner. When I get to the outer corner, I make it much thicker and pull it up so that it lifts that outer part of my eye. So I'm going to put that down. I'm going to use this same brush, flat brush. It is a Morphe 432. And I'm just going to run this across first inside the lash to smudge out what I put in the lashes. And then I'm going to go back and pull it up and smudge out the rest of it. And then I'm going to go in and do the other eye. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to put on some mascara, and then we'll do our lipstick. Give the lashes a quick curl. I'm using the Catrice mascara that I got for that all Catrice look. I haven't decided if I love it yet or not, but I definitely am giving it another shot. I know when I first put it on, I thought it was meh, and then you guys actually are the ones that said, oh, it's great, and I thought, I don't remember thinking it was great, so we better try it again. Oh. And I know I get it all over my eyes. That's okay. I can just flick it off when it dries. Maybe this one. That one looks pretty good, huh? Kind of like this one. Definitely not that one. I think this one. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Oh, they might have colored names on them, huh? Color names that I won't be able to read. Okay. Upside down. This one says Lip Icing Glow Gloss. Sugar Plum. Now I know where the name is so I can see it. That one's Sugar Plum. This one is Cinnamon Bun. This one is Creme Brulee. And then the red one is Candy Cane. Oops. Alright, I think we're going to go with this one. What was this one? Sugar Plum. But we'll swatch it first. What do you think, guys? Oh, probably should take these off, huh? It's not as close as I thought it would be. Alright, here's Cinnamon Bun. Ooh, that's pretty, but it's very coppery brown. I don't think it would go with this at all. This is Creme Brulee, which is basically, I don't know. Can you see it? It's almost clear. And Candy Cane, which is, of course, beautiful. Candy Cane is beautiful. We're going to go with Sugar Plum, though. That's the look for today. We are done. I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to give the Maybelline palette a thumbs up. I'm going to give the Chrissy Teigen lip glosses a thumbs up. I think they turned out pretty good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!